Hello everyone. So today we have to solve an interesting problem called longest binary subsequence, which is less than or equal to k. So you are given a binary string s and a positive integer k. We have to return the length of the longest subsequence of s that makes up a binary number which is less than or equal to k. So we have to return the longest subsequence, and this subsequence returns a binary number. So the subsequence, we have to convert it into a binary number, which will be less than or equal to k. And the subsequence can contain leading zeros, means we can, we can have zeros at the beginning of the numbers. Okay, so yeah, if we have a look at the problem. So the string is binary, right? So our string is 1 0 0 1 0 1 0, and we have to return the longest subsequence where the binary number is less than or equal to k, right? Okay, so what we can do, for example, if we choose to take this one, okay, so what is the decimal number of 10 is 2, right? So 0 0 1 is 1 and 10 is 2, right? So like we know how to convert binary to decimal, right? Now if we choose to take this one, which is 2, which is obviously less than 5, all we can do, we can add all the 0 from the front, right? That's it. Also, we can also say, like, this is my main string. From them, I can take this one, right? So 101. So what is 101? 101 is 5, right? And then in front of them we have 20. We can take 20. So the length is 5 as well. So the value is also 5, which is less than or equal to our value of k. At the same time, the longest subsequence will be, the length of longest subsequence will be 5, right? So to solve this problem, the approach I will follow here, and if I draw it here, 1 0 0 0 1 0, right? So we'll go backward, like, so I'll check. Okay, this is 0. So we know how can we calculate binary to decimal, right? So our value of k is 5. Every time I'll check. Okay, so here we know, like, to convert it into the what should I say? Binary number, a decimal number, we can put like in the index to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 4, to the power 6. What I will do? Okay, to the power 0, and here to the power 1, to the 2, to the power 3, to the power 4, to the power 5, to the power 6. Right. Now, if I tell you what is this number? you can easily calculate. Okay, if it is 0, then we'll take 0 plus. If it is 1, then 2 to the power 1 is 2. If it is 0, again we'll add 0. If it is 1, then 2 to the power 3 is, what is 2 to the power 3? 8. Yeah, 8. And then we can add, this is 10, right? So the value of 1010 is equal to 10, right? So we can calculate it like this. Now, what I'll do, I will take the number from here, from the right side, and then once I get my value, which is less than or equal to k, then I'll add all of the zeros from the left side. Then how can we do it? So I'll check, okay, this one is 0. So my current value will be 0, and 0 plus, I can say my current value will be 1. Okay, then again, this one is 1. So I found 1, 1. So 1. So, and then the value will be 1 plus my previous one. So it will be, then again I'll check this one, right? This one is 0. So I will increase the value is, here it was 4, then 8, yeah, 8. And then I find another one. So I'll just check 8 plus 1. It will be 9. So which will be like greater than k, right? So I will not take it. So I will take first 2, means last 2, and then I'll check how many zeros I have on the left. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That's it. The answer will be 5. So if I could here, initially what I'll take, I'll say, okay, I have an integer value. I'll count and say count. Count is 0. Then I'll say value. Value will be 0. Then I'll say power will be 1. Okay. And then I can say for and ti equal to 0, less than, let's start length I plus plus. Okay, then I can say if of I equal to 1, then to count plus plus, and each time I'll increase the value. So value plus equal to power I have, and it doesn't matter is it 1 or 0, each and every time I will increase the value of power. So equal power into 2. Or if we do binary representation, we can say like this. Both are the same. Then I will just return. Okay, I will say the total zeros I have. So I can say count as begin, then as end. What I have to count? I have to count zeros. How many zeros I have? Sorry. And then return count plus total zeros. And here we have to check one more thing. If value plus power, yeah, if value plus power is greater than k, then break the statement. That's it. If I got my value, then break it and then take that total count. Okay, my bad. Here I got, it should be 6, but I got 5. So you count. Okay, I got. Ah, okay, my bad. I should start in reverse order, right? 4 into I equal to is that I have to start from the right side, right? I greater than or equal to 0, I minus 1. Then now if I run my code, yeah, it's accepted. Then if I submit it, that's it. Thank you so much, guys.